Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Silvercrest Upholstery and Carpet Cleaner for easy cleaning of carpets, upholstery, stairs, mattresses and textiles. Removable fresh and waste water tank for easy filling and emptying with a suction 9 kPa. With spray nozzle for precise shampooing at the brush head. Almost residue-free suction into the wastewater tank. Cable length 4 meter, IPX4 with a 330 watt power consumption. 3 years warranty. And let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, there it is. 4 meters of long cable, I like that. Some accessories. And the manual, of course, if you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. These two plastics is for the cable management. Perfect. You can rotate that and release the cable. Only this. Nice and tight. I like the cable management. And you can just release that and remove the cable. We have the spiral hose with the spray nozzle for precise shampooing at the brush head. There's the brush head, the sprayer button. You can press this button and remove if you want to clean it. We have rubber around here and at the sprayer. You can even press on this button and remove that plastic. Nice, very ergonomic. And you can have everything at the correct position for storage. Nice. The handle, soft area at the bottom here, I like it. The on-off button. And of course we have the water tank for the clean water. Remove this rubber at the bottom here, the connection here. Fill up with water and cleaning detergent. Max it says here. And for the dirty water, just pull and remove the cover, rubber around here, the filter, and this is for the dirty water. Press and it locks. And we have rubber here at the base at the connection. So easy to install and remove. Just press and it locks and remove. The same and for the clean water. Compact design, everything very tight at the correct position, on a black transparent color and blue at the base. I like it, so I think the next step is fill up with clean water and detergent and start the testing, see how well it can clean. Max it says here. Now the water tank for the fresh water it is 1000 ml and for the waste water it is 650 ml. You can remove stains and dirt when used with standard upholstery cleaning products or vinegar-based cleaners. I have cleaning products at this water tank and vinegar. Well, let's test it, see how it works. You need to turn it on to work the sprayer. I have a stain here. Here at the front is sucking all the dirty water. First of all, you need to just start and cleaning with a sprayer and then sucking all the dirty water. Wow, I like it. I think it has managed to do a good job cleaning the mustard from the carpet. And here we can see the dirty water at this container. Nice. Now let's clean in my sofa and see how it works. A huge stain at my sofa. Nice, I like it, good job. And the same way you can clean your car. You have your kids at your car and it's a little bit messy around, so you can clean all the seats. Another huge stain here at this thicker carpet. Oh, too much. And you can see here in the water, the waste water. Nice and clean. Good job. So now let's remove the wastewater. You can remove this filter at the top, just pull. Inside it has this sponge with this metallic mesh filter. You can clean it. Rubber around here for this filter and the sponge. You can remove in this filter, just pull these two plastics. Remove the filter. This is working like a mechanism. When the water it gets more than the maximum, it will stop. It will seal at the top here, and then you cannot work anymore. You need to empty the water, the container. And it is so easy to install all these attachments. Just press and it will lock. Perfect. And reinstall everything. No leaking I can see. Nice, I like that. And we have rubber and here at the top. Seal it very well. Nice. So cleaning was never been easier for me. You can clean your sofa, carpet, your car seats or vehicle mats from any stain. I like it and I will enjoy cleaning anytime. It cost 110 euros. I think the price is higher than expected. But as we know, everything are going up. So if you need that kind of wet cleaning product, just buy it and do your job. Until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.